Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Lalita Kavya, and today on my channel we are going to be talking about a product that literally saved my life in November 2019. Yeah, in November 2019. So I've had sinusitis since a long time, and it's only in 2019 November that it had become really serious, like really serious, because all of my sinuses were blocked. I got a CT scan done, I got an X-ray done, I got everything done. I couldn't breathe through my nose, and sometimes when I used to sleep, even breathing through my mouth was an issue. And I've tried all sort of antibiotics by that time. I think almost 3 or 4 kinds of antibiotics, and I've been to 3 or 4 ENTs, and I've done steaming. I used to do a lot of breathing exercises, and they helped, but not like completely helped. So this product came into my life like accident. Should I say a happy accident? Because my friend, she saw me suffer so much, and she told me that she has this oil which like really helps with breathing. And I thought, okay, now I've tried antibiotics, I tried everything possible, so let's just try this too. Okay, so I just took it, and I smelled it, and it was so relaxing and soothing. It literally opened up my sinuses. You know, when you have sinusitis, you feel like your whole nasal area is like so blocked, like it's swollen. That feeling was immediately gone. Like it just vanished right there. And I thought, oh my god, I need to really try steaming with this. And I went back home and I just put 2 or 3 drops of it in my steamer, and it just relaxed my sinuses. Like it opened up my sinuses, and how I was able to breathe, I was able to smell, because I had allergic rhinitis also. So I have the issue of itchy nose, itchy eyes, and then runny water. So all of that was gone, like gone. And my headache was gone. So that was like a major plus to me, because when you have sinusitis, your whole face also aches. And especially it used to ache here, like here, and that was gone. I was like, oh my god, this is God sent. So the product that we are going to talk about today is Axe brand Universal Oil. Okay, it is made in Singapore, and the consistency of this is just like water. I'm going to put a shot of this, and it's just like water mixed with a little bit of oil, and it smells like heavenly eucalyptus oil. Okay, it's not like that strong eucalyptus smell that you just can't breathe. It's not like that. It's nothing like that. It just calms you down. I just want you to order this and just smell it. And I think you'll know what I'm talking about, especially if you suffer from sinusitis or allergy issues, or if you have like frequent colds and coughs and things like that. So the formulation of this, it has menthol crystals, eucalyptus oil, methyl salicylate. I think that's a preservative. And there's camphor essential oil, and they have some base AD. I'm going to leave a picture of that. So what I do is I just take it, like when I don't have time to steam with it, I just take it to on my palms or on my fingers, and then I just rub it like this. I love this. Okay. I rub it like this, and I put it on my nose like that. And here, I don't go into my eye, but it usually aches for me here. So I just apply here and then here. Okay. And in like a couple of minutes, I can feel it even now. It just. I don't know what they put in this, but it just opens up your breathing pathway. I don't even know if that word is right, but it just opens up everything. Even now, while I'm recording this, there's AC, and usually, ACs don't suit me, but still, I'm able to breathe because of this. Okay, so this is useful for conditions like sinusitis and allergic rhinitis, and yeah, and also it helps with insect bites. Like, if you have that mosquito bite and or some insect bite, if you go out and then it really itches and becomes red or pink, just take a drop of it and put a rub on it, and the itch really relaxes. Okay, and it helps with that. It even helps with nausea. So I have travel sickness. So this is something that I take with me whenever I travel. I smell it if I'm feeling, like I'm gonna puke. Or I even put it on my pressure points. This is the pressure point for nausea, for stopping nausea. I put on that, and it really helps with that. And it is also supposed to help with muscle aches and joint aches, though I've never used something like, I've never used that for something like that, but I should probably try it. Now it just struck me that I should try it. So this is basically that sort of thing, like Zinda Tilismat or Vicks or something that you put in your house, that it's like really helpful for everybody who is living in your house. Okay, and it should definitely be your travel companion. You should definitely take it with you when you're traveling somewhere. I have even the mini version of this. I have a backup of this mini version, and I think the backup of that backup is over. So this is how much I'm obsessed with this. This, I put it in my handbag, and I think I've gifted this to more than 10 people. Yeah, I think so. So how to use this? It's very simple. You can put it in your steamer, and you can just, don't put a lot, put just 2 to 3 drops into your steamer and then steam with it. And another way to use it is directly just take it on your fingers and put it on your main sinus areas, and it will just start opening up your sinuses. And another way to use it for your insect bites is just take a earbud and put it on that and put it directly on the insect bite. Okay, and for children, okay, I've never put it directly on their skin. What I do is, when they have cold or congestion, like after they sleep, I put it on their collar. Like, they have a night suit, right? So I put it on their collar, just 1 or 2 drops. Or sometimes I even leave a handkerchief with a few drops in it near their pillows, and they sleep peacefully, touch wood. So that's another way to use it. And yeah, you can directly put it on your pressure points. Like for nausea, you can put it here. For sinusitis, you can put it here, not too close to your nostril, and you put it here for sinusitis especially. And for your allergies, I think you can put it here on top of your nose. So you can use it for that too. You can use it like that also. I also forgot, you can use this when you are about to have an anxiety attack. Just smell it. I don't know what they put in this. I think it's a eucalyptus oil. It really helps with grounding. Okay, it really helps with calming down anxiety attacks. Maybe you should try this too. I know people with anxiety try a lot of things, whatever the doctor tells or whoever tells around them. This is another thing that you can try. Okay. So a few precautions. So on the package, they give that it's not to be used for infants under 2 years. So, and caution must be exercised when older children are treated, obviously. And I've never tried putting this directly inside the nose. I don't even know if few people do it. You should stop doing it. Don't ever put anything inside your nostril unless it is, nasal drops given by your doctor. Okay, so don't try doing that with this. And if you have sensitive skin, please do a patch test, like on your wrist or on your elbow, before you apply it anywhere else, and wait for 24 hours. See if you're reacting to it badly, then just don't use it. Sorry if I've rambled a lot in this video, but that's how much I love Axe brand Universal Oil because it's something that really helped me in situations when nobody could help me. Okay, so this is like God sent, and I thought that you guys should know about it. Okay, so if you've used it, please let me know how you felt about it. And if you haven't, if you have any of the problems that I've mentioned, please try it and let me know on Insta or FB. I'm gonna leave my links down below. And I'm also gonna leave the buying links. I basically got it from Amazon. And even if you don't have any of these conditions, I think you should just go ahead and buy it, because it's gonna stay there in your house. The expiry is like really long. I think it has a shelf life of 3 years or 4 years, if I'm not wrong. So just go ahead and buy it. And yeah, I'll see you all again. Bye.